Here we are today to talk about a 9-volt battery backup power supply. So a lot of chairs will come with this, and we just wanted to talk today about it because it's frustrating in a lot of cases, and quite honestly, in our opinion, they don't work very well. So this is what a 9-volt battery backup looks like. They come in multiple shapes and sizes, 2 cables in here for a 9-volt. So to show how this works or doesn't work, so that in the case of you or your folks or anybody's ever in a situation where they really rely on this to know. So we're showing you, we're actually going to open this pack right in front of you to show these are brand new batteries, and we're going to stick them in. So most of these 9-volt battery backups take 2 9-volts. Pretty simple to plug them in. Plug this guy in here and we'll be off to the races. So the idea behind this is, in the event of a power outage, your battery or your power supply should be able to get you to a position that you can now use. What we have found is that it just doesn't have enough power to do what it needs to do. So stick that in there like that, put the back on it. So this is what a lot of folks do, is that they'll buy this, they'll put the batteries in it, they'll test it on their chair, think, oh, everything's good to go. And then in the event of emergency, they'll go to try it, and they didn't realize that by just using them one time, you've already killed the 9-volt batteries. They're burnt up, they're gone. So we're gonna show you. So what we've done is we've reclined the chair into this position. And this is why this is such a terrible thing, is that if you get in this position and you're a person that needs help getting out of your recliner and you get stuck in this position and the power goes out, so we're going to disconnect power. We have these 9 volts in. We're going to see how much these actually do. So we're going to try and go to our sit-up position, which we're working on really hard right now. You can see, not really going anywhere. Slowly but surely it's coming. This is all just off of the 9 volts. So you're totally relying upon these. The 9-volt battery backup is not a great option. So still going, still going. I've got this thing pressed the whole way, trying to get it to go up. Now this will work on any power recliner. We're showing it here on a lift recliner because most folks that are in a lift recliner need the lift recliner for lots of reasons, health reasons and whatnot, and they're not able to just get out of it themselves. So here I got it fully pressed. Still going. You can see how slow it is. 9 volts, not a lot of power to function this. Almost here, almost to the home position. One time. So almost there, still totally not there, still working. You can tell that it's just sucking everything it has out of these batteries to get it to this position. And we're at the home position, right? Now, what we'll do is I'm going to plug this back in, recline it again, and see if that 9 volt can do it again. But it did get me to the home position. So if you have brand new fresh batteries, it will get you to this home position. This is a lift chair, so if you require your lift chair to get up and help you up out of the chair, the 9-volt batteries will not lift you. There's just not enough power to do it. So what we say is that the 9-volt battery backup is not a great option, especially if you have a lift chair. So we want to just show you some of the other options that really exist that we consider to be true emergency backup. So this is just to help you understand. This right here is a true standard power supply. Just plugs into the wall. This is going to give you power. In the event of a power outage, obviously it doesn't work. You're going to get nothing out of it. But if you don't have power outages and you have no issues or worries about getting out of a chair in case your chair doesn't work, a standard power supply will work perfect. We've talked about this 9-volt battery backup, which is this guy right here. So this 9-volt battery backup plugs into the wall. So when you have power, it works fine. In the event of a power outage, it's supposed to work. We just show you it doesn't really. This is what we call this is called a true battery backup. What that means is that you can leave this plugged into the wall and you use your normal power supply. You leave this plugged into the wall. This plugs right into your chair underneath here where this one plugs in. So you'll just unplug this one. It's stuck underneath here. You can actually just unplug it right here. And you can just plug this guy in right here. And the thing about this one is that this battery backup, you can just leave this plugged into the wall. It's a full 2000 milliamp battery, which is actually a larger battery. Leave this plugged into the wall. It'll use power whenever it's plugged in the wall, but in the emergency, whenever your power goes out, this will work like a normal functioning chair. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. You can lift it, you can do all of these other things. because it's a true battery and works. So if you're really worried about your being able to use your chair in the event of a power outage, you need a true battery backup. The battery can handle being plugged in. It's not going to overheat. That's the one that's going to give you all your functions so you can lift, get out of the chair. It doesn't work as slow as the one you just saw, and it really works. Lastly, if you really are worried about cords, you don't want those, that's what this battery is. You plug it into the wall, it charges. Once it's done, you unplug it, plug this into your chair, tuck it underneath your chair, and it'll just hide there. It's a great option if you really just want to hide the cords and get away with it, but keep in mind you will have to recharge it from time to time, so you can't just leave it. So if you're somebody that needs assistance in getting that done, that's probably not the best option. But if you are looking for just floating your cord or floating your chair, not having any cords, that's what the battery is for. So those are the 4 power supply options if you're really looking to have some kind of great option in case of a power outage. Okay, so here we are again, and we have gone ahead and we have used the batteries one time, as you saw. We've reclined it again to see if it'll work again. So here it is. We're going to give it a fair trial. So the batteries have been used one time. Let's just see if we can get 2 times out of it. So here we go again. So remember, we already tested it once with mom and dad when they first bought the chair. It's like, hey, that was great. Let's put them back in here. And what you don't think of is if they sit there for a long time, over time, the batteries are naturally just going to die. Well, here we are with try 2. Working okay on this one. Again, still not fast, but it does work. We're going. But you do have to remember, these are brand new, fresh batteries. We've used them consecutively right here. They haven't sat for weeks, they haven't sat for months, they haven't sat for years before someone tries it again. And again, just to reiterate, the only thing that this is going to do is get me into the home position. It will not do anything else. So we just want to educate you, make sure you know what you're getting, what you're looking for. If this service works for you and that battery is going to do the job to get you back to the home position, perfect, awesome. But if you're really needing something better, it won't do the job. So just showing you 9-volt battery backup, its limitations, what it is, it's out there. Does it serve a purpose? Yes. But if you're looking for true emergency battery backup, we have better options, and we'd be happy to explain those to you and get those options to you. Okay, now just to show you the difference, what we've gone ahead is we plugged in the true battery. It's plugged into power here, so it'll work like normal. We can go up, we can go down. Everything works, the heat, the massage, all the features will work on the true emergency backup. But now if I unplug this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unplug this. So now all we have is just a battery. I'll show you just the difference. Look how much faster it goes. It's working like a normal chair, right? We're gonna go up like a normal chair. And then not only that, is that I can also lift myself. So this is a lift chair, and that's what it's meant for, is just to help me lift. So having this plugged in, you'll see that now I get the normal functionality of the chair. So in the case of a power outage, my chair is actually gonna lift me out of the chair. It gives me full power, normal speed, all the features that I need. As I mentioned, this one does have heat and massage, so you still can turn on your heat, you still can turn on your massage. Hopefully in a power outage, those aren't 2 features that you have to have, because that will use your battery more than anything else, but it fully functions. So if you're really looking for a real emergency battery backup, we have a good solution. The 9-volt is not something that we recommend, and we've shown you the reasons why.